Students clash over chapati quality in Karnataka University, 8 injured. A teacher who taught beyond books, Professor Sajni Mukherjee Kriplani. IIT Madras launches admissions for Olympiad performers. No JEE scores required. Center sets deadline for state to notify sanction post for special education teachers. US faces AI talent crisis as job openings surge, but supply falls short. Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top news are: a dispute over quality of chapati served in boys' hostel mess at Central University of Karnataka led to violent clashes between students. This resulted in at least 8 postgraduate students being injured. The confrontation began on Friday night when one group complained about using chapati makers instead of handmade rotis. This sparked a physical altercation in the hostel dining hall. The violence escalated on Saturday with 7 more students injured outside the library. Police were called in to control the situation, bent on charging students and warning of arrest if violence continued. University authorities filed a complaint, but no specific student was named. Professor Sajni Mukherjee Kriplani, who taught English at Jadavpur University from 1976 to 2007, was much more than educator. Known for bringing literature alive with humor and wit, she also instilled value of compassion, honesty and commitment in her students. She pioneered a braille library and audio recording for blind students, creating a nationwide model of inclusivity on the campus. Passionate about causes, she participated in protests like the Iraq War and even led Coca-Cola boycott, encouraging students to embrace traditional drinks. A beloved teacher and activist, Sajni Dee's legacy is one of the kindest support and dedication to education and life's great values. IIT Madras has introduced a new admission scheme, Science Olympiad Excellence, for students excelling in national and international Olympiad in physics, chemistry, mathematics, informatics and biology. Starting from 2025-26 academic year, candidates will be admitted based on their performances in this Olympiad rather than JEE scores. The selection will be made using the scope rank list and 2 supernumerary seats per program will be available, including one exclusively for women. The eligibility criteria are similar to JEE, but candidates must not have been admitted to an IIT. Applications for the first batch open on June 3, 2025. The Supreme Court has directed state and union territories to notify by March 28, 2025 the number of sanction posts for teachers educating children with special needs. Despite a 2021 ruling, many states are yet to appoint teachers for these positions. The court emphasized that each state must publish the sanction post in newspapers and government websites. The petition filed by teachers claiming a shortage of special educators in states like Uttar Pradesh highlighted the need for qualified professionals. The court also called for forming a screening committee to ensure the appointment of competent teachers and address long-standing reliance on the ad hoc staff. US is poised for an AI job boom with over 1.3 million AI-related positions expected by 2027, but a significant talent gap could impede progress. According to a Brain and Company report, while AI jobs positionings have increased by 21% annually, the country may have only half the required talent, leaving many positions unfilled. This shortage could slow innovation, disrupt finance, healthcare and manufacturing industries and lead to wage inflation. Concentrating on AI expert and a few large companies, Experts call for urgent solutions, including reskilling and the workforce, updating academic curricula, and expanding global talent recruitment to address the AI talent deficit and ensure the US remains a global leader in AI. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news and detailed information, log into our website www.theenn.com, powered by Education Today. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.